showing you how to set up things inside a percussion kit. So this is my percussion kit. So inside this part, you can see I have my snare drum. I'll show you how to set it up later in the video. So the first thing we're going to do is open this part, second part, this, and you're going to see this. Over here you'll have 3 stands, and this is my music stand. I'll show you later in the video how to set up too. These are your 3 stands. You'll have this stand, like this stand, and this stand. So those were 3 stands. I'm now going to show you 2 other stands, which are not the same. So this is the first stand. It's actually a music stand, like a music holder. This is where you would put your music in. So I'll show you what's inside and how to set it up later. And there's also this stand, which goes on the bells, which I'll also show you later. Okay, so now let's begin. So first, you're gonna take this stand. Take this stand over here, which looks like this, and you're gonna unlock it over here, like that, and then take the 3 legs and pull. And then when you think the height is good, just lock it in again. Okay, and then you're gonna put it. Then you're gonna see there's a hole over here. So and there's also an unlock thing. So you're gonna unlock this. And then since there's a hole, you're gonna see that there's a gap right over here. I don't know if you can see it, but there is. And it's gonna become wider. And after that, you're gonna take this stand, if you want to set up your snare pad, not your snare drum, and your bells. So I'm gonna show you how to do that first. You're gonna take it and you put it inside, like that, and then lock it up again like that, and then come there. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you, the snare pad. If you're gonna put on your snare pad, you don't need to do anything. Just take this, see the hole over here and the screw over here, screw it inside like that, and then and it's ready. But if you're gonna put in your bells, then you want to open these black legs. So you're gonna see the knob right over here. You're gonna unlock that. And you're gonna put the legs up, right? And when you think it's straight, just like that. Good. Okay, so you're gonna notice there are 2 smaller sides and 2 bigger sides. And then you're also gonna notice on your bells, there's this small side and the big side. So you're gonna put the small side on the small side and the big side on the big side. And you're gonna see there's a hole like the other thing. You're gonna just put on. And that's it. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to put your snare drum. So you're gonna just unlock this, the legs down, lock it back, take this out, and then keep this open actually, and then take this other stand if you want to set up. Take this stand if you want to set up your snare drum, not the pad, the snare drum. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna see the knob over here. Turn it, lots of knobs. Turn it and put it like this. So now you can see that it's kind of straight. This part over here and this part over here are kind of straight. And then when you think it's straight, just lock it in. So I locked it in like this. It's kind of straight. Okay. And then you're gonna put the thing in the hole like last time. Just put it inside, and when you think the height is good, just lock it in. And then over here, you're gonna see these black legs kind of things, and you're gonna pull them out. And then you're also gonna see this black thing right over here, and you're gonna like loosen it up. So take it and you're gonna turn it. You can see that. I'm gonna turn it, and then keep on turning until it's perfect, so that you can take your snare drum, and just put it on, and the black things will match, and now it's perfect. So that's my snare drum. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up the music stand. Okay, so you take this, see the knob right over here. Actually, first you're gonna put these black things up. Then you're gonna take the knob over here and loosen it so that put this down like that, like that. Okay, and then you're gonna put the knob over here. You see that? I'll take that. Then just lock that up again. And then loosen that. And like that. And lock it up again. Okay, so now I'll show you how to set up your music stand or music holder. So this is what it looks like. This is the back for it, actually. And this might come separately from your percussion kit, but usually I just keep it inside my percussion kit so that when I go to band, I can just carry it inside and I don't have to carry it like with my other hand. It's just inside my bag. So I'm gonna take it out. So you're gonna see 3 parts inside. First you have this, and then you have this part, main part, and you have this part. So this is the holder of the music. This is the main stand, and this is just the supporting stand for height. So first, you're gonna see that there's a latch over here. So you're gonna just like press on it like this, like that, and then pull the 3 legs. There are 3 legs, and then that. So you'll get this. Okay. And now you're gonna see there's also another latch over here, and you're gonna pull it like that. So now it's straight. Like that. Well, almost straight. And then you're gonna take this second part thing and you put it so that this part aligns with this part. Put it like that in the hole and like that. And then you're gonna take this and just press and lock it. Okay. So then you're gonna take the last part, this part, the music holder, and you're just gonna open it like this. And then you're gonna make these things, this part things, straight, and then you're gonna put it on. So you see this thing over here, backwards, like that. Just put it in, and there you have the music stand. Okay, and then you also have these 2 things over here, and that's just to keep your music in place. Like if you have a book and it might just like close in like this, then these 2 parts help them keep them together. So now, to deassemble this, first you're gonna take these, make sure you put it down. Then you're gonna take these parts and bend them down also. And then you take this out here, and you're just gonna take this like that, close it like that. Then you're gonna take this latch over here, and then take it out like that. Take out the part. Then with that. And then you're gonna take this, see this thing over here, release it, and then come down like this. So to make sure it fits inside my bag, I have to do some specific things. First, you'll probably have to take your this part, and then put this part on top, like that, and then the last 3rd piece in, and just put it in like that, and then put it in your bag. Usually, so now you can see it's almost to the tip, like you can almost do that. And now just loosen it in, and that's how you assemble and disassemble the music stand. And there's this 3rd stand that I almost forgot. This stand, which comes in your percussion kit. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna unfold it, it looks like this. This is a stand especially for bells. Like, it's just for bells. Won't work on anything else. So first, you take your bell set over here. Your bell set. And then you're going to see that there are two things right over here. See, there's one, like a kind of hole thing over here, and there's a hole thing over here. And then you're also going to see that there's two parts right over here. So you're just going to fit them in. So like there. Oh, there. So there. So now, bring this closer kind of. So now you can just put your music over here, but this is better kind of for books, especially for books, and it looks like this. And then just take it out like that and bend it like so. So yeah. Okay, guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you don't know how to organize your percussion kit, you can always watch part 1 of a guide to your percussion kit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye! Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and share this video with your friends and family.